Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and deny. And as you can see here, we've got the camera. We are in the automatic photo mode. Let me try to turn the screen, turn the options. Unfortunately, probably it will not work. All right, so let me just turn it like that and let me zoom out the camera here and we will try to work with that. All right, so if we've got the camera turned on, we have to take a look at this option bar right here. And as you can see in the right upper corner, we've got the timer. So let's tap. And after tapping, we can see possible options. We've got 2, 5 or 8 seconds delay. So all we have to do is to simply tap on the proper option. And that was a misclick. I want to pick 8 seconds delay. And as you can see, the timer will be applied. What's more, the icon has changed. So thanks to this, we can simply check which timer option we've got set. So now all we have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will simply count down from 10, and after that time, it will take a photo. Of course, it will work the same with all other options, so the 5 and 2 seconds delay, just pick it and tap on the shutter button. Of course, you can turn it off also, just by tapping on this crossed out timer icon. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically, that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.